The current trends for the data science industry are automated machine learning. It has changed the way organizations doing business, and because of this, Auto 1050 has described as a quiet revolution in AI. By automating a significant portion of the machine learning process, the solution changed with data science landscape. All types and sizes of organizations started using AutoML to increase their productivity level significantly. AutoML created a lot of buzz in the business sector. Automated machine learning (AutoML) increases the productivity of data scientists significantly and democratizes AI tools. As data scientists' need are rising, AutoML tools and services become more popular and help companies using machine learning successfully extracting business insights in an effective and scalable manner. It is a powerful solution for the well-documented scarcity of data scientists. Automated ML (AutoML). AutoML is an AI-based solution that automates applying machine learning to real-world problems. The solution helps compensate for the shortage of data specialists in the data-driven industry with the high degree of automation in machine learning. Even non-experts efficiently use these models. The production of solutions and creating models usually outperform hand-designed models of end-to-end applications of automated ML facilities. Automated ML is automating the end-to-end process of applying machine learning to real-world problems. The growth of AutoML. AI and ML need professional data scientists and engineers, which currently in shortage. AutoML compensated by automating the repetitive tasks and at the same time boosts the productivity of existing data scientists. The solution shortens the gap becoming wider between the demand for data scientists and availability. With the automation of repetitive tasks like selecting a data source, data preparation and attribution selection, marketing analytics, data scientists quickly change focus on other essential duties. The automated solution allows data scientists to create model versions in no time, enhancing their quality by developing new strategies. Some benefits that data scientists receive with development of AutoML are: citizen data researchers. AutoML automated more than 40% of the data science tasks to focus their attention on core processes and become better skilled. ML tools assist data scientists in model creation by considering every aspect of different business applications like marketing analytics or client analytics. The tools help manage massive volumes of data from various platforms through performance analysis to help data scientists make a better business decision. Automate process of model building. AutoML selects the best model for the problem at hand. ML helps data scientists save time and effort involved in pre-processing, determining features, and tuning models by automating ML techniques to data. The solution will help find the best model by creating many models and analyzing them as per the business requirements. The intelligence-based solution can also make improved versions of current arrangements. Automate end-to-end business processes. AutoML automates an entire business process. Many organizations combined automated ML with featured engineering actively automate their specific business process. The solution also helps break down a giant data silos by providing relevant information about the business and market working in it. A better business decision made ensuring positive outcomes with the right information. Helping organizations make beyond ML. Large data sets are useful to a business if processed accurately. Every piece of data must precisely be collected, cleaned, improved and made analysis ready by deriving better insights. AutoML is a process that helps all sizes and types of businesses to make the best use and an invaluable resource that can efficiently handle business data. How to automate ML process. AutoML services targets to automate some or all steps of the machine learning process, including data pre-processing. This process comprises improving data quality and converting unstructured and raw data to a structured format with methods like data cleaning, data integration, data transformation, and data reduction. Featured engineering. AutoML automates such method to create more compatible features with ML algorithms by analyzing the input data. Feature extraction. This process includes combining different elements or datasets to generate new features that will enable more accurate results and reduce data processing. Feature selection. Auto 1050 automates a task of selecting only useful features for processing. Algorithm selection and hyperparameter optimization. Auto 1050 tools choose optimal hyperparameters and algorithms without human intervention. Since ML solutions' accuracy measured, automated systems can fine-tune data, features, algorithms, and hyperparameters of algorithms to generate accurate models relying on established ML knowledge and trial and error. Future of AutoML. The data scientists have made predictions that AutoML will help businesses handle most of the data cleaning process in the coming time. The solution will get better day by day and help the data-driven industry manage its core processes efficiently and hassle-free. AutoML is the methodology required to extract and handles invaluable resources.